Vivo smartphones have always been about selfies and looks, and that is still the case. The new addition in the Vivo smartphone lineup is the V9, which is priced at 22,990 rupees. The Vivo V9 also happens to be the company's first smartphone in India with a dual rear camera. Now, before we talk about anything else, let's talk about the looks, because the V9 has a notch, which means it looks like the iPhone X. Now, this can either be a good thing or
iPhone? Sir, iPhone. iPhone, sir.
ouch. Now, some people are a little touchy about certain things. So, besides the looks, you also get the 6.3-inch of IPS LCD full view display with 19:9 aspect ratio, housed in a traditional 5.5-inch body. The display definitely looks impressive and delivers a premium experience with details, vivid hues, sharper brightness, and colors. The device runs on FunTouch 4.1 UI based on Android 8.1 Oreo. Now, you might also notice that the wallpaper looks similar to the Pixel 2 devices, and the stock theme appears to be a combination of iOS and Android interface. Now, even though the device has bloatwares, it functions smoothly thanks to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 626 processor coupled with 4GB of RAM. And this combination does pretty well. You can open those apps quickly, do multitasking, browsing, everything simultaneously without experiencing any lags or heat whatsoever. There's also 64GB of humble storage that can further be expanded up to 256GB. The V9 company says also comes with AI Smart Engine to boost phone's performance over time through smart storage management and app launching based on user behavior. Also, the AI comes into picture in the camera. So the device houses a 16 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera system. Now, the photo clicks from the camera were rich in color, autofocus worked well, and images in daylight conditions look crisp. You can also click those portrait shots, and there are other options as well. The V9's rear camera also offers you features like Ultra HD correction. Now, the camera clicks great portrait mode. Now, you can also click those portrait shots, and also there is the Ultra HD, slow mo, live photo, retina flash, and AR stickers as well. Overall, good camera performance, but not in the low light conditions. Now, at the front, you have a 24 megapixel selfie camera, again with AI capabilities. And you can also shoot that portrait shots with excellent results. Selfies, of course, in well lit conditions look great, but again, in low light, it's similar to the results that we got from the rear camera. Device has a 3260 mAh battery, which should just about last you the day with your regular usage. The overall performance of the Vivo V9 Plus is satisfactory, not the best in class, but you won't be disappointed either. And yes, the reason you'll buy this is for its looks, and but yes, once you look at this phone, you're gonna look at it again, and you might also think of buying it.